What if luxury wasn't just a privilege, but your everyday reality? In a world full of ordinary homes, there exists an extraordinary sanctuary. Imagine waking up every morning and not wondering what the day will bring, but knowing it will be embraced by elegance. Where the walls don't just shelter you, they celebrate you. Where every morning feels like a personal invitation to excellence. ये सिर्फ एक एड्रेस नहीं है, ये एक स्टेटमेंट है, एक आवाज जो बोले मैं घर आ गया. वेलकम टू द मैंशन इन थलतेज, जहां आपकी लाइफ का सबसे ग्रैंड चैप्टर लिखने का वेट हो रहा है. फील द पल्स ऑफ द सिटी, द विस्पर ऑफ ट्रैंक्विलिटी. At the mansion, location is just a symphony for the senses. Nestled in the heart of prestigious Thaltej, आप सिर्फ एक घर नहीं खरीद रहे. You're claiming your place in Ahmedabad's most coveted neighborhood. From city's rush to serene hush, the mansion is the perfect place to be. Your life becomes effortlessly connected. Thaltej metro station, a mere 700 meters away, and 4 other stations within 5 minutes distance. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, only 25-minute drive away, and 5 bus stations such as Thaltej Gem Bus Stand at your walking distance, making the city your playground. Find spiritual peace at the Gurudwara, just 700 meters away from your doorstep. The ornate Jain Derasar awaits you worship, only 300 meters away. Indulge in retail therapy at Palladium Mall and Ayan Complex, both within a kilometer's range. 3 other shopping plazas just a stroll away from your home. And should health ever be a concern, world-class care at Zydus Multi-Speciality Hospital is just 800 meters away, with 4 other hospitals all within a short drive. The mansion में शहर आपकी सुविधा के लिए आगे झुकता है. Secure your slice of Ahmedabad skyline. The mansion, a 10-story testament to architectural brilliance, offers not just luxurious living, but a smart investment opportunity. Imagine 150 exclusive residences spread across 4 buildings rising above Thaltej, where the city's energy harmonizes with the serene embrace of lush surrounding greenery. Here, space isn't just measured in square feet, it's measured in possibilities. Expansive 3 BHK residences of 1,800 to 1,937 square feet, starting from 1.27 CR, crafted for families who refuse compromise. A home for the future. The residence comes with 2 dedicated car parking spaces because your prized possessions deserve their own sanctuary. Experience the full mobility. Exclusive EV charging points are available, making your home a heaven for sustainable transportation. Life at the mansion transcends the ordinary, elevating everyday moments into memories worth treasuring. Imagine ending a hectic day with a soothing swim in the adult full-length swimming pool, while your little ones splash joyfully in their dedicated children's pool. Picture yourself discovering new strengths in the state-of-the-art gymnasium, or finding inner peace in meditation gardens designed to calm your mind. यहाँ आपको amenities से ज़्यादा एक experience मिल रहा है. Meticulously landscaped gardens where nature becomes your companion. Community spaces that transform neighbors into lifelong friends. Children's play areas designed to nurture imagination and growth. Wellness zones that celebrate harmony of body and mind. तो तैयार हो जाइए हर दिन लग्जरी को जीने के लिए. Full possession starts from December 2026. Behind every exceptional home is an exceptional creator. Anushthan developers bring their visionary excellence to the mansion. Having transformed Ahmedabad's skyline with landmarks that define luxury living. With Anushthan, you're not just investing in a home, you're becoming part of a legacy that is built on trust, innovation, and unwavering commitment to excellence. So here's what a couple of our owners had to say. Mr. Sunny Singh says, the mansion is a harmonious blend of convenience and tranquility. The area offers seamless connectivity, essential amenities, and peaceful green environment that rejuvenates the mind and soul. Mr. Chintan Rathod says, living in the area is like experiencing a perfect blend of urban convenience and serene nature, where every day feels like a refreshing escape. Mr. Kamlesh Patel says, this place has it all. Convenience at your doorstep, from bustling markets to serene temples with reliable power and water, making life a breeze, though it comes at a price. Housing.com पर लोकेशन, क्वालिटी और वैल्यू के लिए 4.5 out of 5 रेटिंग्स के साथ द मैंशन सिर्फ प्रेज ही नहीं किया जाता, ये सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. Some decisions change addresses, others change lives. The Mansion invites you to experience a life where luxury isn't occasional, it is everyday. जहाँ convenience एक वादा है, जहाँ सपने सच होते हैं. This is your moment. This is your invitation to excellence. Schedule your exclusive site visits today. Simply click the Contact CTA on housing.com to get started. The Mansion by Anushthan Developers, where your extraordinary life finds its address.